In this video, we will see dry run of the code. So now let's see the dry run of this code. Okay. So we will take one low pointer at 0. So I will take my low pointer at 0. This will be at 0. High pointer at nums dot length minus 1. So my high pointer will be at here. My high pointer will be at 4. Nums will be this array and 3, 4, 5, 1, 2. Minimum will be start with plus infinity. So I can say that this will be start with plus infinity. Now, while low is less than high, yes, 0 is less than 4. I will find the mid. I will find the mid. Mid will be floor of low plus high by 2. So 0 plus 4 by 2. This will be my mid. This will be my mid. Okay. Now I will check if the array is already sorted. Okay. So is nums of low. Nums of low is less than or equals to nums of high. 3 or 4? No. 3 is not less than. 3 is not less than 2 or equal to 2. So I won't come under this condition. I will come here. Is nums of low is less than equals to nums of mid? What is this nums of mid? Yeah, this is the region. Is this region is sorted? Basically, I am checking. Is nums of low is less than equals to mid? Yes. If this region is sorted, yes, it is. So what I will do, I will check nums of low is less than minimum. So this my element. This 3 is less than my minimum. Yes, minimum is infinity. It is less. I will update it. I will update my minimum with nums of low. So I will update my minimum 3, right? And then I will do the action item, that is low will be mid plus 1. So my low pointer will be here. Okay. So low will be mid plus 1. Mid, what I got mid in the starting, 2 here. Now low pointer is mid plus 1. Mid is 2. 2 plus 1, that is 3. High pointer is at 4. 3 plus 4 by 2. That will be 7 by 2. So your mid pointer will be again lie here. So mid pointer will be 3, right? Again you will check. Again you will check now. Again I will check. I have already calculated mid. Now I will again check. Is nums of low is less than equals to nums of high? What is my nums of low? 1. What is my nums of high? Yes, this condition is true. So I will check only is my low element. Is my low element nums of low is less than minimum? Yes. 1 is less than minimum. I will update it. I will update it. I will update it here and I will return minimum. I will return 1. I will return 1 directly. So 1 will be my answer. And I will break it. I will return it. So I am breaking this loop. And that's the end. That's the end. And see, right, once you find out one complete sorted region, right, low to high, this is the sorted region, you can directly comment that this will be your minimum element in the array. So this is my minimum element in the array. And this is how you can solve this problem. Basically, if this loop is working for sorted region, the sorted region, you are checking, updating. Here also, you are checking the with high and you are updating in else condition. Sorted. And here what I am doing, I am updating the value. Okay. So that's how you can solve this problem. And the time complexity again, as discussed, will be big O of log n. So base 2. This will be your time complexity. So yeah, that's all from my side. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed this problem. Okay. In the next video, we'll solve one more interesting problem that will be help in your interviews. Bye bye.